Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to talk about the Pandora keys, or the 3E game, or what was it? The official Pandora box. Stop changing your name. Store. And alright, what I'm going to talk about is very simple today. I'm going to talk about this USB dongle. Now you're thinking, alright Wicked, who cares about the dongle? So for the people who are having one or two of these sticks, have bought the Pandora box 6 or 5, did you know if you are using this dongle, you can use your stick on your PC or your game console, etc, etc. So in this video I'm just going to show you how does it work, and we're going to do some arcade porn at home with the 3A game store and the awesome sticks. Stay tuned! But before we are going to do a testing with the dongle, let's talk about arcade sticks. So for the people who have really no clue what is this arcade stick and where is it from. So the sellers on AliExpress, for example, are selling these kits. Nowadays it's Pandora box number 6. It's a wireless unit. With this wireless unit, it's basically a main board of a Pandora box, and you can buy it with 1 or 2 loose arcade sticks. So, for example, I have this King of Fighters version. I must say the joystick itself is very nice, a little bit of a wiggly stick. Comes with very nice buttons, and here at the top we're finding extra functions. We also have the Street Fighter version. Alright, let's take a close look at the bottom. We're having here this little plug, you can pull it out, just if you want to move the ball top. You need to hold it with a screwdriver so you can reach the joystick itself, so you don't have to tear down the full arcade stick. You have to right to find the battery compartment, because it's wireless and going to need some juice. So we're having here 3 AA batteries. A little bit of a bummer, I personally like some rechargeable batteries or a battery pack inside. And this is the Street Fighter version. This one got a totally different stick, less wiggly, nice buttons. But what I'm thinking of these Pandora's arcade sticks, I think these are very nice quality sticks. They're made full of plastic, so I will not say they are very light, but this is what we're going to get. But how cool is it that we can use these sticks for our other consoles? So that is pretty nice, that you're not limited to the Pandora box mainboard itself. So that's the reason why I'm going to point this out. You can buy the stick separately if you want. You can buy these dongles separately. So this is all for sale on AliExpress. I will leave a link in the description so you know where to get them if you're interested. Alright, now let's try them out. I'm going to try on certain platforms, just seeing what happens. Let's take a close look at the dongle itself. So what are we going to get? Of course it comes with the dongle. We're having the dongle here. Nothing special, looks a little bit like a USB stick. It comes with a little extension cable, so just for if you have a very horrible position for at the end of your PC, you can just extend it. And we're having this little conversion. This little conversion from USB to micro USB. So this is what we're going to get in this USB kit. Let's plug it into the systems and let's have some fun. And let's see how it if it's working and how it works. Are you ready? I am ready. Let's go. So how can you use this dongle? It's pretty damn simple. Connect this to your laptop or PC. So if you want to use it on Xbox 360, you leave it this way. And if you want it, in my case, for my telephone or PC or PlayStation 3, you move it at the left side. When everything is set up, just power it on, press the power button, and let's go. So alright, it seems to be that this joystick is working. But the first thing that I've noticed with this thing, if you're trying out the newer games like Killer Instinct, it doesn't recognize it at all. And I must say, I really love this joystick. play a little bit of Guilty Gear just for fun. Very responsive. All the moves come out instantly. Very nice, very nice. I like it a lot. Alright, next game we are trying out is Street of Rage Remake. The reason why I'm choosing this game, it's an homebrew game. And did some configuration. Just started the game. And it seems to be that's recognizing the game. Or the controller. I don't have all of the buttons. I just want to swap out the button layout. Oh, getting flying lessons. With a game like this, if you're having a very responsive button, it's very important. You can really experience this arcade feeling. And for your mobile phone, it's pretty simple. Either because you can just use this little micro USB. Plug in this big dongle, and you're done. Alright, let's play a little bit of Sonic. So what you can see here, it's just plug and play. You need to configure the joystick inside of the programs, but it works like a charm. So, for the final conclusion about the dongle and the arcade sticks. Alright, let's start about the arcade sticks. I really love them. So, if you want to pick one up just for playing, yeah, it's possible. It's a very nice stick. They are not very cheap, keep that one in mind. And you shall need, I think you're going to need to buy the dongle separately. So, for the, let's say the compatibility with the other systems. PC, it works, yes. The dongle is going to get recognized with Windows 7 and Windows 10. I've tried it, no problem at all. But if you want to play games like Killer Instinct, that is one of the newer generation games that supports Xbox 360 controller. There is a switch on there that says Xbox 360, but it doesn't recognize the stick. I've tried everything. Older games will work, you're only going to do a little bit of extra configuration in the game itself. I tried with my RetroPie or my Raspberry Pi. It supports by Raspberry Pi, so that's also very nice. It doesn't support the newer generation systems. I've tried some PlayStation 4, Nintendo Switch, but it doesn't recognize it. So it's more like a multi-platform for the older systems. So let's say my telephone is working, PS3, PC, Xbox 360. So there are a lot of systems that are working. So this is what you're going to get. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.